Hi everyone, my name is Kamira Houghton and I'll be doing my final presentation on the need for human trafficking awareness on NMSU campus. Let's go in detail. Human trafficking. People tend to think that human trafficking involves just the buying and selling of human beings. Here's the definition for human trafficking. Human trafficking involved exploitation of man, woman, child who have been taken to different countries, mostly at their own will and legally as a result of deception. These are some of the forms of human trafficking, which are child abduction, forced labor, forced prostitution, forced marriage, just to name a few. Here's a video that I have attached for you all to watch.
A nationwide prostitution bust with ties to Arizona may have only been the tip of the iceberg. The truth was yesterday the ring based out of San Diego. Federal prosecutors say the victims, 11 of them underage girls, were treated like slaves. Experts warn this bust is little despite the growing problem of human trafficking. ABC travel reports spot the newsroom with more on that story. Sarah?
As we say, of course, the good thing is awareness of this problem is growing. Now, this is a red flag in a lot of areas. Human trafficking is touching a lot of things. It's being called modern day slavery. It's happening more than you think. I myself am a survivor of sex trafficking, and it happened here in Phoenix. Savannah Sanders is speaking out loud at just 17. So it's really bad in prison. You get stuck in survival mode, and that's all you know. That's all you can endure. Now she's made it her mission to help other victims become survivors. The bottom line is this issue wouldn't exist if we didn't have demand for it. Lieutenant Jim Gallagher, he's the vice president of Phoenix Police. He says victims can be anyone from any part of town.
It's shocking to think about that.
A year later, the Super Bowl here in Arizona, police are gearing up to promote awareness. We're not first to the street. Activists say it's an opportunity to get more people on board this cause. And there is a lot of trafficking that happens around the Super Bowl, but there's a lot of trafficking that's happening every single day. Savannah hopes the effort to fight it doesn't stop there, so more victims have a chance at freedom like her.
I love who I am and love my life now, and I'm able to do a lot of amazing things that I never thought I would live to see.
Now, Sarah Monday was successful workers across America that set more than a hotline for people like you to report anonymous tips of human trafficking. Now, there's a place for victims to get help in Phoenix, and this public awareness campaign is truly a team effort.
Yeah, we saw something similar to this the last Super Bowl, and a good thing for Savannah for sharing her story as well. It really helps all understand it some more.
Okay, so some of the red flags you can look for are an individual seems to be deprived of some basic needs such as food, medical care. An individual is doing other jobs than expected. A minor is engaged in commercial sex. An individual refers to another person to speak for him or her. A person does not socialize with other people, or perhaps has been taught how to respond to questions. A person does not have control of his or her own money. And lastly, an individual travel documents in control by another person. Some health issues associated with human trafficking victims are infectious disease like tuberculosis, undetected or untreated disease such as diabetes or cancer, bruises, scar, branding, and other signs of physical abuse and torture, substance abuse problem or addictions, and lastly, psychological trauma. Um, I like this quote that I want to finish off my presentation with. It says that for traffickers, the profit are too high and the penalties are too low to resist the trade. So I think that's a very crucial point there, and I thank you all for watching my presentation, and goodbye. The references are below. Thank you all.